Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before I presentation about thesis trial, I want to introduce myself. My name is Werlisiana Marlina Ampun. Now I want to presentation about thesis trial, the impact of reward, work discipline, and organization culture on employee performance with work motivation as an intervening variable at PT Data Hospital Indonesia. First supervisor, Profesor Dr. Koryohana MM, and second supervisor, Profesor Dr. Tuti Sariwulan MSI. Next, chapter 1 about introduction, about background. Employee performance is the result on an employee's work in carrying out duties and responsibilities in accordance with the regulation set by the company, which can be measured by 5 indicators, namely quality, quantity, accuracy, attendance, and workability. According to FND 2021, performance is a result that will be assessed in carrying out tasks that have been done. With this responsibility of a worker in carrying out the tasks that have been done can be seen, so that performance is closely related toward the rewards, work discipline, organization culture, and work motivation. However, recently the performance of PT Dat Hospital Indonesia employee has decreased. Now we are can look about employee performance 2021 to 2024. The employee attention rate from January to December 2024 is of particular concern and tends to be pure. According to Flippo 2002, if the percentage of the absent rate is 0% to 2%, that it will still good. If 3% to 10%, then the absent is high. When viewed from table 1 and 2, the average employee attachment rate of PT Data Hospital Indonesia reaches 4%, meaning that employees are not yet disciplined in working. Employee work engagement is influenced by work motivation, which is also a factor and that influences employment performance. Motivate employees to show better performance, innovate, and are commitment to their tasks. Therefore, understanding how rewards, work discipline, and organization culture can influence work motivation, as well as its impact on employee performance, is very important. Work motivation has an influence on performance, although it is not the only factor that shapes performance. Now there are 10 problem formulation. Number 1, does a direct influence of reward on employee performance at PT Data Hospital Indonesia employees? And 2, does a direct influence of work discipline on employee performance at PT Data Hospital Indonesia? Third, does a direct influence of organization culture on employee performance at PT Data Hospital Indonesia? 4, there's a direct influence of work motivation on employee performance at PT Data Hospital Indonesia. 5, there's a direct influence of rewards on work motivation at PT Data Hospital Indonesia. 6, there's a direct influence of work discipline on work motivation at PT Data Hospital Indonesia. 7, there's a direct influence of organization culture on work motivation at PT Data Hospital Indonesia. 8, there's a direct influence of reward on employee performance, stock work motivation at PT Data Hospital Indonesia. 9, there's a direct influence of work discipline on employee performance, stock work motivation at PT Data Hospital Indonesia. And the last, 10, there's a direct influence of organization culture on employee performance, stock work motivation at PT Data Hospital Indonesia. Now there are 10 research objectives. Number 1, to analyze the effect of reward on employee performance at PT Data Hospital Indonesia. Number 2, to analyze the influence of work discipline on employee performance at PT Data Hospital Indonesia. Number 3, to analyze the influence of organization culture on employee performance at PT Data Hospital Indonesia. Number 4, to analyze the influence of work motivation on employee performance at PT Data Hospital Indonesia. Number 5, to analyze the influence of reward on work motivation of employee of PT Data Hospital Indonesia. Number 6, to analyze the influence of reward on work motivation of employee of PT Data Hospital Indonesia. Number 7, to analyze the influence of organization culture and work motivation of employee PT Data Hospital Indonesia. Number 8, to analyze the effect of reward on employee performance to work motivation on employees PT Data Hospital Indonesia. Number 9, to analyze the influence of work discipline on employee performance, work motivation on employees PT Data Hospital Indonesia. And the last, number 10, to analyze the influence of organization culture on employee performance, work motivation on employees PT Data Hospital Indonesia. Now there are two research benefits. Number one, theoretical benefits. It is expected to provide a new understanding of employee performance that can help grounded knowledge in the field of human resource management. And number two, practical benefit. It is hoped that it can be used as a reference by police maker to formulate more effective and evidence-based on policy in the field of HR. Chapter 2 about theoretical studies. Theoretical background, the first employee performance. Hussein et al. 2023 state the performance is the work result accepted by a person or group within a certain period of time in accordance with the authority and responsibility of each, with 5 indicators put forward by Matic and Jackson in J. Cornea et al. 2022, namely first quality and second quantity, third accuracy, four attendance, and 5 ability to work. Number 2, about reward. According to Gunawan et al. 2023, reward is a reward prize award or recompense with 5 indicators put forward by Kadarisman in Khairunisa Habibi and Pamungkas 2022, namely first wage, number 2 incentive, number 3 allowance, number 4 promotion, and number 5 privilege. Now, both work discipline. According to Effendi et al. 2022, work discipline is the behavior of individual who comply with the regulation and policy set by the organization, with 4 indicators put forward J. Kurnia et al. 2022, namely first, punctuality, second, utilization of facilities, number 3, hack responsibility, number 4, conflict with company regulation. Now about organization culture. Abdullah and Aristi in Uttarayana and Andiani 2020 said the organization culture is a system of belief held by members of an organization, which has an impact on the way members of the organization work and their behavior. With 5 indicators put forward, Triwandani and Wahyuni 2022, namely first, innovative by considering risk, number 2, paying attention to every problems, number 3, result oriented, number 4, oriented to the interest of all employees, and number 5, aggressive at work. Now about work motivation. Abdullah and Aris in Uttarayana and Andiani 2020 said the organization culture as a system of belief held by members as an organization, which has an impact on the way members of the organization work and their behavior. With five indicators put forward, Triwandani and Wahyuni 2022, namely first, innovative by considering risk. Number two, paying attention to every problems. Number three, result oriented. Number four, oriented to the interest of all employees. And number five, aggressive at work. Now we are can look about research framework. Hypothesis formulation. There are 10 hypothesis formulation. H1 about reward have a direct positive and significant effect on the employee performance. H2 work discipline has a direct, positive, and significant influence of employee performance. H3, organization culture has a direct, positive, and significant influence on employment performance. Hypothesis 4, work motivation has a direct, positive, and significant effect on employee performance. Have Hypothesis 5, reward have a direct, positive, and significant effect on work motivation. Hypothesis 6 about work discipline has a direct, positive, and significant influence of work motivation. Hypothesis 7, organization culture has a direct, positive, and significant influence on work motivation. Hypothesis 8, about reward have a direct, positive, and significant effect on employee performance to work motivation. Hypothesis 9, about work discipline has a direct, positive, and significant influence on employee performance to work motivation. And the last hypothesis 10, about organization culture has a direct, positive, and significant influence on employee performance work motivation. Now, about chapter 3, research methodology. Research method. The research method used in the study is a quantitative research method. The quantitative research method is a research approach that uses numbers to collect, analyze, and interpret data with the aim of testing predetermined hypothesis by Cornea 2023 and Populix 2023. Time and place of research. The object of this research is the employees of PT Dat Hospital Indonesia located at Jalan Raya Teguh Umar number 25, Telaga Asih, Cikarang Barat, Bekasi. The overall implementation time of this research is approximately 3 months, from January to March 2025. Now about population and sample. The population in this study is all implementing employees at PT Dat Hospital Indonesia, totaling 139 employees by Yamane's formula. And 103 samples. Measure scale. The measures use a Likert scale with 5-point score, namely about research design. The instrument used in the study is a questionnaire distributed to sample from a primary formulation. The variable in the study consists of 3 independent variables, 1 dependent variable, and 1 mediating variable. The independent variables are rewards, work discipline, and organization culture. The dependent variables are employee performance and work motivation as a mediating variable. Now about instrument development, employees performance. Conceptual definition, employee performance is the result of employee work in carrying out duties and responsibility is accorded with the regulation set by the company. About operation definition, with 5 indicators put forward by Mattis and Jackson in J. Courtney et al. 2022, namely first quality, second quantity, third operation, four presence, and 5 ability to work. Now we are can look about instrument guard. Now about reward. Conceptual definition about reward. Rewards are a form of appraisal given by companies to employee for their achievement, complaints, and contribution to the company. Operation definition with 5 indicators put forward by Kadarisman Ilkhairunisa Habibi and Pamungkas 2020, namely first wage, second incentive, third allowance, four promotion, and 5 privilege. We are can look at about instrument guard. Now we are instrument development about work discipline. Conceptual definition about work discipline is the attitude and behavior of an employee in obeying company regulation and carrying out duties and responsibility on time. Operation definition about work discipline with four indicators put forward by J. Cornea et al. 2022, namely first, punctuality, second, utilization of facilities, third, high responsibility for compliance with company regulation. Now we are can look about instrument guard work discipline. Next, about organization culture. Concept definition about organization culture is the behavior, attitudes, norm, values, and habit that development in a company and are used as guidelines for applying in interacting. Now about operation definition. With the five indicators put forward, Sriwandani and Wahyu 2022, namely first, innovative by considering risk. Second, paying attention to every problems. Number three, result oriented. Number four, oriented to the interest of all employees. And number five, aggressive at work. Now we can look about instrument guard organization culture. Next, about work motivation. Conceptual definition about work motivation is an internal or external drive that makes employees enthusiastic, strive, and present in doing their work in others to achieve personal goals or company goals. Operation definition with five indicators put forward Parasaki and Setiawan 2019, namely first physiological needs, second needs for safety, third needs for social relationship, four needs for recognition, and five needs for self-actualization. Now we are can look about instrument guard for motivation. Next, about data collection technique. There are two. First, literature review, distributing questionnaire as an instrument in research, and second, about field studies, interview, observation, and distributing questionnaire as instrument in this study. Now about data analysis technique. In this study, the data were analyzed using SAM. First, about outer model. Conference validity. The conference validity value indicate the validity of the measure indicator. The value of the accommodation factor is recommended to exceed 0 and 7 in research model that have been well studied. However, if the research model is a new model or in initial research, the value of the accommodation factor can be tolerance at 0. Five, discrimination validity. The discrimination validity value is the cross-loading factor value, which I am to determine whether there is discrimination in the research construct. Three, about composite reliability. Composite reliability value is a way to measure the reliability on an indicator. The composite reliability component is expected to have a minimal value of 0 and 7. If the value is about 0 and 8, then the exact data is considered to have a high level of reliability. Or about Cronbach alpha. The Cronbach alpha value also measure how consistent an indicator is in it. The minimum expected value for this value is 0 and 7, but there is another opinion that say that the minimum value for all construct in the study is 0 and 6. Average of friends extracted the AV value also show the result of the discriminant validity evaluation for each construct, as well as endogenous and exogenous variability. The AV value must be at least 0 and 5. Now about inner model. First, nilai R square. If the R square 0 and 75, it means the independent lengths can be identified. Now, second about 0 and 50, it means the independent latent influence on the medium. And third, 0 and 25, it means the independent latent is on small. B. Estimate for PET. The PET confidence value of the value that indicate the magnitude of the relationship or influence of the latent construct of the study. This test is carried out use the extinct bootstrapping procedure. And that about F square, the influence size is used determinant the change in R square in the Edugen construct. Now about hypothesis testing. In hypothesis testing, it can be seen the test statistic value and probability value. For hypothesis testing, namely by using statistic value, then for alpha 5%, the test statistic value used in 1 and 96. So the criteria for accepting or rejecting the hypothesis are HA is accept and HO is reject when the test statistic more than 1 and 96. To reject or accept the hypothesis using probability, HA is accepted if the p-value uh, less than 0 and 5. Now about chapter 4, research and discussion. Description of analysis unit. PT Data Hospital Indonesia, a type of health business, have been operation since 2006 as an continuation of the GPKM, Dr. Adam Talib Clinic, location at Jalan Teguh Umar, number 18 Cibitung, Bekasi. This invited IM to expand the health service previously provided by the clinic. On January on 10 January 2008, PT Dati launched the Dr. Adam Talib Mother and Child Hospital talk as a soft launching event. This success enabled management to apply for a change in status to a general hospital. Finally, on 24 February 2012, the hospital officially operation as the Dr. Adam Talib General Hospital. After obtaining a permanent operation permit, PT Dat Hospital has been supported by professional and strict medical persons. Description of respondent. First about gender. Gender about male in 59 and third presentation. Age to 21 until 30 years. Level of education in S1 and lack of work 0 until 2 years. Now about description of research value. Statistic analysis of data. Other model testing have two stage, stage 1 and stage 2. Now about discrimination validity. The alpha value is good if it has a value greater than 0 and 50, Gozali in 2008. Now about reward, alpha in 0 and 8, 4, and 2. Work discipline 0, 8, 7, 3. Organization culture 0, 8, 7, 3. Work motivation 0, 8, 7, 3. And employee performance 0, 8, 6, and first. Composite reliability. In this measure, the value accept is more than 0 and 70. Then it can be said the construct has high reliability and overall variable reliable. Front-Bench alpha. A variable can be declared reliable if it has a Front-Bench alpha value more than 0 and 70. And overall variable reliable. HV must be at least 0 and 5 and overall reliable. Now about determination. The relationship between construct based on the edges R square value can be expected that the work motivation variable is 0.770. It showed that 77% of work motivation can be influenced by reward, work discipline, and organization culture, while the remaining 33% is influenced by other variables outside on this study. Then the adjust elsewhere value can be exploited. The employee performance variable is 0.944. This show that 94% employee performance can be influenced by reward, work discipline, organization culture, and work motivation, while the remaining 5.60% is influenced by other variable outside of this study. Now about F square. The F square value which product a value of 0, 2 means the influence is small, 0.15 is medium, and 0.35 has a large influence. Now about nilai PET coefficients. Hypothesis testing. First, the PET coefficients value reward to organization, which means that the effect of reward and employee performance is the same direction. The PET coefficients value, which means that the influence of work discipline on employee performance is the same direction. The PET coefficients value, which means the influence of organization culture on employee performance is in the same direction. The PET coefficients value, which means the influence of work motivation on employee performance is the same direction. The PET coefficients value, which means the effect of reward on work motivation is the same direction. The Petkovich value, which means that the influence of work discipline on employee work motivation is the same direction. The PET convention value, which means that the influence of organization culture on work motivation is in the same direction. The PET convention value, which means that the influence of reward on employee performance to work motivation is in the same direction. The PET convention value, which means that the influence of work discipline on employee performance motivation is in the same direction. And the last, the Petkovin's value, which meant that the influence of organization culture and employee performance to motivation in this the same is direction. Now about this question, the influence of reward and employee performance. The result of the study indicate that rewards have a positive and significant effect on employee performance at PT Data Hospital Indonesia. In the reward variable, the wage indicator received the high score from respondents. This statement include employee getting wage according to their workload. The wage they receive reflect responsibility, and employees are started with the wage they receive. This provides the employee get wage according to the workload they do. The wage they receive also reflect responsibility, and employees are started with the wage the company give to employees. Now about the influence of organization culture on employee performance. The result of the study indicate the organization culture have a positive and significant effect on employee performance at PT Data Hospital Indonesia. In the organization culture variable, the indicator of paying attention to every problems get the highest score from respondents. Statement from this indicator include employment responding to work problem quickly and employees not ignoring small problems because then they can have a big impact in the future. Now, about in the influence of work discipline on employee performance, the result of the study indicate the work discipline have a positive and significant effect on employee performance at PT Data Hospital Indonesia. In the work discipline variables, the facility utilization indicator received the highest score from respondent. Statement from this indicator include employees not missing company facility employees maintenance work facilities so that they continue to function properly and employees utilizing for facilities optimally. Now, about the influence of work motivation on employee performance. The result of the study indicate that work motivation have a positive and significant effect on employee performance at PT Dat Hospital Indonesia. In the work motivation variable, the indicator of the needs for social relationship receive the highest score from respondent. Statement from this indicator include employee having a good relationship with their supervisor and employee communication with worker running smoothly. The next, the influence of reward on work motivation. The result of the study indicate the reward have a positive and significant effect on work motivation at PT Dat Hospital Indonesia. In the reward variable, the wage indicator received the highest score from respondent. This statement include employee getting wage according to their workload. The wage they receive correctly, responsibility and employees are staffed with the wage that are given. Now about the influence of work discipline on work motivation. The result of the study indicate the work discipline have a positive and significant effect on work motivation at PT Dat Hospital Indonesia. In the work discipline, the facility utilization indicator received the highest from respondent. Statement from this indicator include employee not misuse company facilities, employment maintenance for facilities so that the continue to function properly and employee utilizing work facilities. Now about the influence of organization culture on work motivation. The result of the study indicate that organization culture have a positive and significant effect on work motivation at PT Dat Hospital Indonesia. In the organization culture variable, the indicator of paying attention to every problems get the highest score from respondent. Statement from this indicator include employee responding to work problem quickly and employees not ignoring small problems because they can have a big impact in the future. Next, about the influence of a reward on employee performance to work motivation. The results of the study indicate that reward have a positive and significant effect on employee performance talk with work motivation in employees of PT Dat Hospital Indonesia. In the reward variable, the wage indicator get the highest score from respondent. And the work motivation variable, the social relationship needs indicator get the highest score from respondent. Statement from in this indicator include employee having a good relationship with their supervisor and employee communication with worker running smoothly. Now about the influence of work discipline on employee performance to work motivation. The result of the study indicate that work discipline has a positive and significant effect on employee performance to work motivation in employees PT Dat Hospital Indonesia. In work discipline variable, the facilities utilization indicator received the highest score from respondent. Then in the work motivation variable, the social relationship net indicator received the highest score from respondent. Now about the influence of organization culture on employee performance to work motivation. The result of the study indicate the organization culture has a positive and significant effect on employee performance to work motivation in employee PT Dat Hospital Indonesia. In the organization culture variable, the indicator of paying attention to every problem gets the highest score from respondents. Statement from this indicator include employees responding to work problem quickly and employees not ignoring small problem because they can have a big impact in the future. Next, about conclusion. First, they directly reward work motivation, work discipline, and organization culture have a positive and significant effect on employee performance at PT Dat Hospital Indonesia. And second, indirectly reward work discipline, and organization culture have a positive and significant effect on employee performance, the work motivation at PT Dat Hospital Indonesia. Implication. From implication, employee performance indicator work ability. This has implication for employee who are quick, reliable in technique, skill, and the ability to complete work according to established standard. Employees can be more confident in achieving operation and strategic target because they are supported by company ability. About variable reward indicator wage, has implication for the wage received by employee according to the executive workload. The wage received by employee reflect the responsibility carried out and employee feel satisfied with the wage given. About variable work discipline indicator utilization of facilities, the implication for the effective of current employee that can be maintained include the ability of employees to use facilities, the ability of employee to maintain work discipline so that they continue to function properly, and the ability of the employees to optimize existing facilities in the company to support their work. Now about variable organization culture indicator, pay attention to every problem. The implication of this is created of a sense of security and comfort for employees because they feel heard and cared for. This kind of culture involves open communication, increased trust between team members, and accelerated collaboration from problem solving. Now about variable work motivation indicator need for social relationship. This has implication for the importance of building a work atmosphere that is conducive to collaboration, teamwork, and healthy communication between colleagues and superiors. Now about recommendation for PT Dat Hospital Indonesia, employee performance reward, promotion, variable work discipline, organization culture, and work motivation where I can look. About reward, the company improved this promotion system by establishing transparent, objective, and performance-based criteria so that every employee has an equality opportunity to develop work discipline. The company strike the culture of discipline by implementing strict rules, recording punctually, accompanied by a consistent monitoring system. Organization culture, the company creates a work mode environment that supports and value creative and innovation by providing space for employee to express without fear of failure. Work motivation, the company immediately considers providing this well facilities and form of concern for the safety and future of employees. Now about future research recommendation. First, in the study, only four variables were used, namely rewards, work discipline, organization culture, and work motivation for future research. Other variables such as compensation, job more promotion, and job stratification can be used to affect performance. Such a research conducted by Rini et al. 2020 or other variable can be used such work competence and career development, such a research conducted by Rahma 2020. Using a wider sample, not just one field or one unit of analysis. Look for more and adequate reference tailored to the topic-based research. Now about research elimination. This study only concerned the three independent variables consisting of reward, discipline, organization culture, as well as one interfering variable, namely work motivation. So this research data is generated only from a questionnaire instrument based on the perception of respondent answer, so that the equation draw are based on data collected through Google Form without conducting direct interview. Third, the sample use was only implementing employees and only use one analysis unit, namely PT Data Hospital Indonesia. Maybe and the last about my presentation. Terus saya say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.